Easy Battery Reconditioning Program Review. Do you have plenty of dead and worn-out batteries from your car, laptop, or other devices? Do you think it is a great deal to know how you can extend their life for 1 to 3 years? The Easy Battery Reconditioning course is the right choice for you. Who needs Easy Battery Reconditioning course? All of us are using gadgets and machines run by batteries, so almost everybody can benefit from this Easy Battery Reconditioning system. The procedures are straightforward with illustrations to make it smoother even for people without technical skills. How Easy Battery Reconditioning method works. This course has different chapters that talk about various batteries to be reconditioned. Each type of battery has its procedures and materials needed to perform the task. In addition to the Easy Battery Reconditioning guides, you'll also get these 3 bonuses. Frank's Battery Business Guide regular price, $97, yours free today. Double the life of your batteries mini course regular price, $67, yours free today. Plus, also get free lifetime support and updates, and there are no recurring fees for this. It's all included for free if you order right now. I'm going to cut the price of the Easy Battery Reconditioning program, plus all of today's bonuses, to just one single payment of only $47. 60-day, 100% satisfaction, money-back guarantee. Plus, I'm also going to provide you all of the support and help you need to make sure you're able to recondition your batteries. The guides are so easy to follow, anybody can follow along and bring their batteries back to life again. The course is highly recommendable for garage owners and car owners. It can also be essential to those looking forward to starting a battery reconditioning business. Ultimately, do not forget to wear protective gear when working on your battery.